So snowfall is it's not stopping anymore. It's going on the full intensity. The time we were waiting for it last is right now in front of you. It's been snowing from last 1 hour continuously non-stop and people are really enjoying it in Vaishno Devi. See, look at this bench. I think someone was sleeping or is sleeping. Look here. Okay, we are just waiting for sunrise because the roads have been closed. I guess the track has been closed. The snow falling now more heavier. It's just increasing, just increasing. It's not stopping a bit. It's not at all stopping. Oh god. Look at this. It's freezing. It's -4 or -5 right now, and this much heavy snowfall wasn't expected even by the meteorological department, but you can see when you want something, it really happens. Now I'm just closing it, going. You can just, yeah, it's working. You can just have a look when at my back.